Hey guys, Artha here, and I am the substitute narrator while Joseph is out in Europe enjoying the time of his life. Today, we will be installing the Blackvue DR970X-2 channel with the front camera, which will be installed on the front windshield. A rear camera will also be placed on the back window of this Mini Cooper S. We will also pair the dashcam with the all-new Blackvue B130X battery pack. This is the DR970X-2 channel. This is Blackvue's latest 4K dashcam to replace the DR900X Plus. Just like the DR900X Plus, the DR970X records at a 4K at 30 frames per second. Same sensor and lens, but with a new SigmaStar CPU and software image processing to deliver improved video quality. The PowerMagic Ultra Battery B130X is Blackvue's latest high-capacity battery. Like the PowerCell 8, the Blackvue PowerMagic Ultra Battery B130X offers a capacity rating of 7,500 mAh or 96 Wh. In other words, a fully charged B130X will power the one-channel DR900X Plus for up to 30 hours and the dual-channel model for about 19 hours. For this installation, we'll be hardwiring the B130X to the Mini Cooper's fuse panel, which will give you a full charge in 50 minutes. It doesn't matter which battery pack you're using, the first thing you need to do is to find the best location to store the battery pack. For this installation, we store the Blackvue B130X underneath the passenger seat. The inner fuse panel in this Mini Cooper is located in the passenger's side footwell. Storing the battery pack underneath the passenger seat will make it easier to run the power cables. The Blackvue B130X uses a 2-wire hardwiring kit, one for an ACC fuse and the other for ground. Using a circuit tester in the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit, find an empty ACC fuse slot. If there are no empty fuse slots, you can also look for one that you can piggyback off using the Add a Fuse kit inside the BlackboxMyCar Essential Installation Kit. Connect the black ground cable to a metal ground bolt. Always refer to the fuses section in the vehicle's owner's manual to avoid any fuse slot reserved for safety features within the car. When mounting the dashcam, you want to make sure the camera has a clear view of the road in front of your vehicle. It is important to clean the front windshield simply to ensure that the camera sticks properly to the glass. The DR970X dashcam will connect to the B130 battery pack using the dashcam 12V power cable and the battery pack socket output cable. Plug the dashcam 12V power cable into the DR970X. Using a trim tool, get the cable along the headliner and A-pillar to the battery pack. Connect the dashcam 12V power cable and the battery pack's socket output cable. The front and rear camera connect using a coaxial cable. So begin plugging one at the end of the coaxial cable into the front camera. Route the cable along the headliner to the A-pillar and through the B and C pillars. Gently remove the panel covers and weather the stripping. You don't want to simply tuck the cables into the pillars because of the airbags inside. And you don't want to obstruct them either. Continue routing the coaxial cable until you reach a rear windshield. This Mini Cooper has a liftgate, and the best way is to thread the cables through the rubber grommets between the chassis and the liftgate. You may want to remove the back panel cover for better access. When mounting the rear camera as part of this dashcam system, you're most likely going to want to aim for the stop center of the rear windshield. And same as before, it is important to clean the windshield before you mount the rear camera on the glass. Once the rear camera is mounted, you can connect the coaxial cable to the rear camera. Turn the ignition to power up the car, the B130X battery, and the DR970X. You'll hear a greeting prompt from the device. If you haven't already, download and install the Blackvue app on your smartphone. See the Live View feature in the app to verify the angles of the front and rear camera and make necessary adjustments. Tidy up the wires by zip tying them or securing them with electrical tape. You should be able to find space along the ABC pillars and panels to hide the wires. And that's how we installed the Blackvue B130X battery pack and the new DR970X 4K UHD dual channel dashcam. With this installed, you can now enjoy the parking mode function of the dashcam without wear and tear on your car battery. If you want to do it yourself and need assistance installing your dashcam, please send us your question and our team will gladly assist you. You can also directly schedule an appointment with our professional installers at BlackboxMyCar. Mention this video and receive a 15% off your next install. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates and news on BlackboxMyCar. The Blackvue B130X battery pack is available on our website. Are you considering the DR970X? Check out our sample footage in the links below. Also, stay tuned for our comprehensive product review as we'll dive into all the improvements that Blackvue has brought to the table with the DR970X. Thanks for watching.